Grow up. I am not gonna listen.
You know, you say that, but...
It's just, I don't want to hurt your feelings, but your bathroom noises are not a secret turn-on for me.
Right. Yeah, and who was the guy when we went to see that movie?
That was a French movie.
With the couple in the bathroom.
It was a French couple.
And you kind of thought it was sexy that you could hear her tinkling.
I am sorry I said anything.
Yeah, well, now it's an issue for me, so...
I understand. Big baby.
Just...
No. Just go, okay? I promise I won't hear anything.
Thought you weren't listening.
Okay, you're really immature.